Hey lovebugs! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be redecorating our bedroom. A lot of y'all loved our fall living room makeover, so I definitely wanted to do a Christmas theme decor for our bedroom because, let's face it, once it's November, it's basically December, and that means it's basically Christmas, and it's never too early to start decorating. But before we start decorating, I definitely want to give a huge shout out to Lowell Mattress for sponsoring this video. They did send over a brand new Lowell mattress, which I am obsessed with, and also 2 pillows. I will be showing you guys how to unbox it, unwrap it, and how it inflates in this video, and how I will be using their pillows to decorate my bed set. So let's get started. First off, I want to talk to you guys about all the stuff that I did buy to decorate the room. So I'm going to start off with Dollar General. So we went to Dollar General and I got this. How freaking cute is this? So it's a little sleigh with, what are these called? Like cranberries? I don't know. Christmas themed plants, I guess. This was $6. This was $6. And then we got a nutcracker. So for Christmas this year, we are going traditional. I think last Christmas we did like a white tree, white and gold and stuff like that, but I definitely wanted to do red, green, and gold this year, kind of keeping it very traditional. And the nutcracker was $4. Then we got this. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's like, I don't know, some sort of like jar, glass jar with lights inside, so it does have lights to turn on, and it says Noel. And this was only $4, so I think that was a great deal. So that's what I got from Dollar General. So then I think we got this from Dollar Tree. It's just like a little table thing, but I'm actually gonna put it on my dresser and like use it as like a cloth. So yeah, I really like this. This was like $1. And I'm pretty sure this is gonna be like lit in my room 24/7. This is the Winter Candy Apple Candle from Bath & Body Works. Oh my gosh, my favorite candle of all time. They only bring it out during Christmas, and normally when they have their sales, I'll get like 10 or 15 of these, including the body wash, including the hand sanitizer. Nathan actually got this for me early because normally we wait for the sale, but he got this for me. This is my favorite freaking candle. If you've never tried this, you have to go and try this. I love it. And then also we got this from Ross. This was $6.99, and it has all of those little decorative floral arrangements, and then it has another candle right here. I'm a huge candle person, so I love this. And then we got this from Dollar General as well, and it's just like a little countdown thing with Santa Claus to show how many days till Christmas, and this was only $4. Then we have this little Christmas tree that Nathan saw that he really wants to put in our room. It was only $12.50 from Dollar General. I like it. We'll see if we have a space for it. And then from, I think I got this at Hobby Lobby, actually. Yeah, I got this from Hobby Lobby, and it's to put over the bed, and it says, when we have each other, we have everything, and it's in white and gold. And this was $25.99, but they were having a 50% off sale, so it was way cheaper when I got it. You always gotta be looking for them sales, guys. And then from Ross, guys, I got a whole new comforter set. This is like a burgundy kind of reddish bedding set, and it comes with 5 pieces. So it comes with the comforter, 2 pillowcases, and then 2 decorative pillows as well. And this was for $29.99, and actually I really needed a new comforter set, and I wanted it to match our Christmas theme that we're gonna have, so this is what I got. Also from Ross, this is probably my favorite thing ever. Okay, they had these freaking cute decorative pillows in a 3 set, and it's white and gold. So it has like white and gold pillow right here, and then it has an all white and gold pillow in the middle, and they're all like different styles. And this one says Happy Holidays. This was $25.99, yeah. So kind of expensive for Ross, but I loved them, I had to get them. And then also from Hobby Lobby, I got these things to go around the little quote that I got from Hobby Lobby. They were originally supposed to be 10, but they were on sale, so I got them for 5. See? Queen of deals. And they just look like this. They're little gold kind of like spike things, and I bought 3 of them, so in total it was $15 just to go around them so that it looks prettier. And then the last but not least thing that I got is from Family Dollar, and it's this cute little Santa thing that kind of like sits anywhere where you put it, and I just thought that was really cute because he has little candy cane stockings. And then I got this mug, which was $2, and it's a little Santa Claus. Loved it. And I definitely am gonna be drinking some hot cocoa out of this tonight. You can guarantee it. So now the fun part. We are gonna start decorating, and I'm gonna transform my room into a Christmas wonderland. Are you ready, guys? let's get started. You work smarter, not harder. Look at this. So they say it takes 24 to 48 hours for the entire mattress to inflate. So, but it's already starting to air up by itself right now. I just took it out, so I don't think it'll take that long, but that's how long it says. And the best thing is, Lowell does have free shipping, free returns, and a 100-night trial, and you save $150 when you use my code in the description box. So nice, we bought it twice.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. We got into a drifted bank, and then we got upside. Oh, jingle bells.
And that completes this video, love bugs. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video and want us to do more, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, love bugs.